Welcome back. The news in full. President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi arrived home after paying a historic visit to Djibouti, where he held summit talks with Djibouti's President Ismail Omar Gula. At a joint press conference following their talks, President el-Sisi hailed his talks with President Gula as constructive, which covered a number of issues, including facilitating the access of Egyptian products to Djiboutian markets. The president expressed appreciation for the warm reception and the hospitality of the Djiboutian people, and for being the first Egyptian president to visit Djibouti. Presidential spokesman Bassem Radi said that during the talks, President Sisi affirmed Egypt's keenness on boosting bilateral ties in all fields. Radi said the two leaders had agreed on the need to reach a just and legally binding agreement on the filling of the reservoirs of Ethiopia's dam and rules for operating it. They agreed on boosting cooperation between the two countries on fighting terrorism in the Horn of Africa. Speaker of the Arab Parliament, Adel bin Abdurrahman al-Assoumi hailed on Thursday President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi's visit to Djibouti as it deepens the Arab-African ties. Al-Assoumi expressed appreciation for the efforts exerted by President el-Sisi in boosting pan-Arab ties and bolstering joint strategic partnership between the people of the Arab region. He stressed that this mobility towards the African continent in the era of President el-Sisi reflects the Egyptian will before all parties to build new and strong strategic relations in a way that guarantees security and stability in the whole region. Speaker of the Arab Parliament also praised Egypt's support for Djibouti after Egypt sent medical and food aid to its Arab African sister country. Egypt and Sudan have begun a joint military drill aimed at bolstering military cooperation between both countries. The Armed Forces spokesman said that the joint drill, dubbed the Guardians of the Nile, began in Sudan with the participation of ground, naval and air forces from both countries' armed forces. The exercise included several theoretical and practical presentations to unify combat concepts and exchange training expertise. Egypt reported 1,132 new coronavirus infections on Wednesday, bringing the total number of cases to 258,407 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February last year. The health ministry also reported 54 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 14,904. The ministry added that 909 patients were discharged from hospitals, raising the number of those who have recovered to 189,476 people.